In this short talk, I'm going to be giving you a quick demonstration on the RGoogleAnalytics package and an example of how I've used it for a pub chain in the UK. If you have any questions, comments, or are interested in working with me, feel free to email me at theodore.vanruy@gmail.com. A quick note about me. I'm a proud graduate of Colorado University Boulder Applied Math Graduate Program. Take a look at my LinkedIn profile at the first link and feel free to connect with me. I am a professional mathematician and have been applying myself at solving real-world math and computer science-oriented challenges for small to large-size organizations. I love using R in this way, and again, as a mathematical consultant, I am always interested in dialoguing on challenging business problems. Tonight is the last items on the list that we will be talking about: marketing and analytics. If you live in the world of web marketing, as is almost certainly the case for any marketers these days, you will know about the free service of Google Analytics, which offers a convenient way for you and Google to track all kinds of information about usage patterns on your website. It's easy to implement, now works in real time, and when properly used gives you a quantified understanding of what works in your marketing and what doesn't. Google Analytics comes with a nice dashboard which allows the quant marketer to quickly gauge performance, dive into details about who is using the site and what they are doing on the site. Unfortunately, unless you manage a small or just one site with Google Analytics, it quickly loses its charm. Exporting data to a workable format like CSV requires lots of interaction, bogging down the caffeine-oriented quant marketer. And first glance at the API discourages the programming averse from attempting to automate data acquisition and processing. An English pub, Holland Woodhouse, recently signed up for service from a client of mine. They had 60-some distinct sites, each for its own pub. Although Google Analytics might have been set up more efficiently, the challenge was to be able to do reporting and analytics on each site separately and in aggregate. Our Google Analytics is not a CRAN package, but it can be found as a Google Code project. Please visit this URL to obtain it. I won't walk through how to install the package from command line or within R, but make sure that you have working R curl and XML libraries. They do the work of fetching and parsing the results from the API. Our Google Analytics creators did a great job of keeping it simple. Simply initialize the R Google Analytics object, set your credentials, and then pull all associated profiles with your credentials. The profile data returned consists of a vector of profile names, so you know which one you're working with, and a set of table IDs. Google uses the table IDs on the back end as a unique identifier for your GA data. Next, the Query Builder object does the heavy lifting of communicating with the API and then parsing the results. Make sure to format your dates and table IDs as character vectors. It's fairly picky. Also, for all available metrics and dimensions, please see the Google API documentation. The data retrieved from Google Analytics consists of the raw data and the aggregate totals. The raw data could be stored and later used for site-wide aggregations. Aggregate data can be a convenient way to get a summary if no plots are needed. Loop over all of the sites, use the aggregate function, and voila! A multi-level set of data that can be used to gain site-wide insights or produce nice plots, as in the following. Visits and events, counts by day across all sites. Very high correlation between the two. More visits equals more action. Looks like Monday would be the best day to post information about upcoming weekend events. And, as they had hoped, the new Christmas menu was highly downloaded, nearly as much as the main menu. Thanks again for your attention. I hope that you are able to make full use of our Google Analytics, and feel free to contact me with any questions, comments, or a request for a proposal.